Looking for budget hotel? Welcome to Filigans Hotel, Puerto Princesa, Palawan, your friendly budget hotel. Staycation number 10 with Mrs. B. What's up mga ka-Erp? It's me again, your ka-Erpberto. Welcome back to my channel, Bertube. In this video, we're going to have a very quick room tour dito sa napili naming budget hotel na Filigans. We're here na mga ka-Erp, so tara, let's have a quick room tour. Okay, so unahin natin yung favorite part ko, syempre yung comfort room or yung toilet. At first, meron naman silang toiletries kit like toothbrush and soap. Parang wala lang silang toothpaste dito, so magdala na lang kayo or bumili. Syempre, meron din bidet, number 1 yan. So, para hindi na tayo gagamit ng tabo. Yan, and then silipin natin. Meron din naman na syempre hindi mawawala ang hot and cold shower. Yan, kailangan natin yan mga ka-Erp. Okay, next, let's take a look at our main room. So, meron naman siyang double-sized bed, may mga pillows, kumot, tsaka yung bath towels na dalawa. May 2 complimentary mineral water. Saka, may telephone naman dito pero I think for contact lang sa mga receptions natin. May window type aircon, may hanging rack or sabitan ng mga damit natin kasi may mga hanger. Siyempre may LED TV portion, naka-cable naman yan. Oh, by the way, yung mga food pala nila dito is per order. Pero I think pang breakfast lang. So kailangan nyo magpa-reserve para at least kinabukasan meron na kayong breakfast. So may bayad yun mga ka-Erp. Anyway, sa food wala naman problema dito dahil napakadaming nearby restaurants dito sa napili naming hotel. Bakit ito yung napili naming hotel? Siyempre, unang-una napakamura niya and very accessible sa lahat. Like sa restaurant, sa airport, sa mga malls, sa park. And siyempre, most likely naman sa Puerto Princesa, mag-activity tayo. So, matutulog lang naman tayo. So, ba't ka natin kailangan kumuha ng mamahaling hotel, diba? So, kailangan natin ng maayos na tulugan at maayos na comfort room. Staff are very accommodating naman and friendly. So, 1 phone away lang from the receptionist kung may request kayo sa kanilang mga staff. As the saying goes, you got what you pay for. So if you want a friendly budget hotel, go to Piligans Hotel. The location is very accessible sa lahat, like airports, restaurant, malls, and everything. Kaya 3 stars out of 5 mga karm ang ratings natin para sa hotel na to. Thank you for watching mga karm. This is your Carto. Very terribly small YouTuber. Until next staycation natin with Mrs. V. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Birdtube channel. Thank you, God bless, and stay safe always mga karm.